Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily 5-minute turbo update. Let's go, let's start. Here is the 1 hour time frame. Every candle is here 1 hour, and guys, we saw here in the night, or yes, it was in the morning, a breakdown of Bitcoin. Why? I told you guys, watch the RSI. Watch the RSI on the 1 hour time frame on the downside, and we broke the RSI here at 9 o'clock in the morning. With this candle, we broke the RSI, and from this point, we saw a big dump to the downside. And yes, everyone who is trading Bitcoin and everyone who is watching my video saw this. It's very important for the RSI, and I'm out of the trade. And so I think, guys, I hope so, you are not in a great loss here. You are out of the trade, and everything is fine, guys. Now, let's zoom in a little bit. Here, this nice green ribbon band was a nice support. Now it is a resistance because we broke this ribbon band completely. It's a red one now. This red one is our big resistance now. We have a short signal here, and the EMA 200 was also a really big support. Now it is a big resistance. To the downside, this is now important. You can see on the downside 32,900. This is the place to be. This is our big support on the downside. Now we are back in this triangle. We are back in the big downtrend, but we are still in this little uptrend. So guys, as long as we're in this little uptrend, everything is okay, everything is fine. But if we will break down here, we have some things to watch. Here, 32,900, as I told you. The next one is this middle line, depends always where we will hit this line, 32,300. And this here, this low, 32,000, this is also a big support to the downside. If we will break through all these points, we have really bad targets to the downside. Here I can show you 28,800. This is this last low here. This is our biggest support zone here, this one on the downside. But okay, this is the thing about the 1 hour time frame. Let's check the MACD on the 1 hour time frame. And here we are. Here's the MACD. On the 1 hour, we are extreme bearish. We are buying red candles here, blue line under the brown line. Okay, this is not looking nice. So let's check the 4 hour time frame. And on the 4 hour time frame, we are also bearish. This is our first red candle here to the downside. We are bearish. We see here, or we saw here, the crossing from the blue line of the brown line, and yes, it's bearish. Let's remove the MACD. Let's check the RSI, because I would like to show you something on the RSI. This is the nice thing for the moment. Check this. A line from this point over this point to the upside. This is our big support, and yes, we are still over the support. There's some place to the downside, but we are still over the support. That's nice. From the upside, there's also a nice line, but it's not necessary to draw it for the moment, because the big question is now, is this now the support here? Can this hold or not? I will check this here on the daily, and on the daily, it's for me the most important thing now. Look at this time frame on the daily, and look on the RSI on the downside. A line from here over here to here. And what we can see here, guys, we have to zoom in a little bit more. The RSI is very important for the moment. This nice trend line, and here on the daily, we are really perfectly here on this trend line. This is the most important support ever for the moment on the daily time frame. If we will break this point to the downside, we have big problems. 28,000, it's really possible. That's the big thing we have to show, to watch now. And you can see this also on my live stream. I'm streaming live stream for hours, 7 days a week on YouTube and Twitch. And you can see this also there. I have the daily there, I have the RSI here, there, and I have also this line there. And it's very important to watch this line now. If we will break down, guys, short 28,000, really possible. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. But guys, this is a really nice thing. If we are breaking down here, we have to watch this. So let's remove the RSI and let's check back again. The ribbon band here, this red one is now our big resistance. It's still our big resistance. We saw here with this candle a fight with the ribbon band and down again. We lose the fight again, but we are knocking on this ribbon band very often here. Maybe we can fight back to the upside. Maybe this support can hold. Maybe we will see a nice leg to the upside. You can see my target, 39,000 with the EMA 200 line. This is a really nice target. It's also the upper line of this uptrend if we can break out from this downtrend. And the middle line is also here as a bad resistance, 36,300. Depends always where we will hit this line. Guys, these are the targets to the upside. These are the targets to the downside. You are prepared for everything you can make millions. I hope you make millions. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. This was the 5-minute turbo update from your BITI. I hope we see us tomorrow on the next 5-minute turbo update, and I wish you just the best. Make millions, guys. I see you. Bye bye.